Flaum here for Dress It Up Buttons. Today we're talking about shoe charms, and we're going to use the new Mermaid Bliss buttons to create our shoe charms today. And this is a super fun and easy project. The shoe charms come 8 to a package, as you can see here. One side is a little smaller. That's the side you want to adhere to your button. You want to use a nice strong adhesive such as E6000. And then of course you need your favorite Dress It Up buttons. I have here, as I said before, Mermaid Bliss, and I've already cut the shanks off. That's the only prep you need to do there. So this is a very easy project. This would make a wonderful gift. This would just be a lot of fun to receive for anyone of any ages, and you can customize to the person's liking. So as I'm showing you here, one side is larger, one is smaller. The smaller side attaches to the back of the button. You're just going to get out a little bit of adhesive and place that on there. Again, I'm using E6000, but something else, super glue or something very permanent and strong is what you want for this, because it does take a little bit of tugging to go in and out of the hole in the shoes. And then you're going to set these aside and let them dry. I like to go overnight, but it's usually about an hour for it to fully dry, depending on your weather and how much glue you use. Then once it's done, all you have to do is assemble. And this is a lot of fun because you're just going to place these into the hole, and it works best to kind of place one side and then the other. But oh my goodness, aren't these cute? These Mermaid Bliss buttons are one of my favorites. And this is a great project because not only is it fun to express yourself, but you can come up with a whole themed set or multiple themed sets to gift to a loved one and have fun crafting while you're at it. Thank you so much for tuning in. Be sure to subscribe to Dress It Up Buttons for more videos and inspiration.